Yo, I have a weird one here. Hazmat surface transport only. Like, I know it's because of the lithium ion battery tag, but whoa, I had to sign for this. And I don't know exactly what I bought because, well, I did not expect this, but I have an idea of what this device is. I say device because, well, on this channel, I literally only buy things for tech related stuff. Where can I even open this? I think I cut the box a little too much right there because I was excited to open it, but here we go. Ooh, is this the Samsung or is this the other device? No, it's the red device. Look at this bad boy. This device was like, I believe like $1,600 when this first came out. Guess how much I bought this device for? Yes, I bought this device for $65. Wow. It's really beat up, but for a $65 device that used to be, what, $1,600 is a crazy thing to have in my hands right now. Let's pull out the serious device that I use whenever it comes to researching anything. This came out in 2018 and it was priced at $1,300, but I got mine for $56. So dang, it's pretty darn crazy. Or was it $65? Still, I got this for a very affordable price. This device was discontinued on October 2019, and that is when Red exited the smartphone market. The Red Media Machine Company basically wanted to create a modular phone that can be used as a very powerful phone to use for movie recordings, and they had a bunch of patents that were going to be used for this device, but this device was so poor in sales that nobody wanted this device. I mean, if, I don't know, iPhone does something like this, then it's a maybe people would buy this device. But at 2018, $1,300, I think I was still in high school. I was like, dang, bro, no way I'm saving up for this device. Let's see if the guy has a charge outside of the box. Oh, yeah, powered by Android. Red hydrogen. Okay. I wonder how long it's going to take. So it says Verizon, but I actually have a GMIC unlocked device. So I could actually, I think, call Verizon and get this. Wow. That was actually kind of a cool sound. The basic background that comes with it is a world map. Wow, oh my gosh, look at Facebook and Instagram. Oh my gosh, it comes with a lot, I guess. Let's look at the camera right away. Oop, that's me. One selling point with this device is that it has a 2D and a 3D image capability. So the 3D looks really bad on the screen, but it does look pretty darn cool IRL. Here's the best image I can come up with that shows you that there's a 3D aspect, but as you can tell, this device is in 3D, but what you're watching on is a 2D device, so it's not going to be the best looking. This device comes with like a 3D holographic. It comes with a 3D video, so you can see what it looks like, and I'm going to see what it looks like right now. The 3D on this device is actually really cool. I would not be able to show you in its full aspect, but it's actually really amazing. The thing about it is that, I mean, you have to have it like perfectly still and you have to have your head perfectly still, because if you do like 1 or 2 degrees of incorrect angle viewing, it's going to look really bad. This device is running Android 8.1. That is insane. It is a device that is 2018, but still. So I really can't find out too quickly what software is the latest software I can run on this device, but I think I want to stay on Android 8.1 because when I have Google Chrome, there's no AI. So I tried messing with this device around for a bit, but since this device is on Android 8.1, I can't do too much. see it says update Google Play services over and over again. I'm just going to disconnect from the internet. One thing I will try on this device is sideloading some apps that will work on Android 8.1, but I don't even know what's going to work on Android 8.1. Not even YouTube works. I have to go on Google Chrome to watch YouTube, so yikes. I will definitely have to do more videos on this guy, especially a just whole documentary, a mini documentary or something, because this device had a lot of potential, but it just didn't go anywhere because the people who made this device were too ambitious.